made it.
We made it.
Not yet.
What are we on? One wheel now?
We made it.
Day 2, SneakerCon, LA. We in the building.
Day 2, SneakerCon. Let's go. So basically today, I heard a lot of people sold their vendor passes from yesterday. They didn't want to come back. So I think there should be a lot of new vendors for the second day. We'll see though. As far as the outfit goes, what up, man?
Just photobombing a video.
Yeah. I am rocking a Honor the Gift from Russell Westbrook. Pretty cool knitted, like, I don't know. It looks like Hermes, I'm not gonna lie. Same cargos, same Red Octobers. I didn't pack that heavy for the trip. I need to pick up something, man. SneakerCon without some heat does not feel right.
Last day, it's the last chance to get some sales. Let's get it.
All right, guys, so we're with the homie Andrew right here. What's your IG?
My IG's Sometimes Hidden.
Sometimes Hidden? Sometimes Hidden, man. One of the best curations of vintage that I've ever seen. I ended up picking this shirt right here. Can you explain a little bit about the glitter on top?
So this was an upcycle shirt from a vintage wolf shirt, and there's a designer. This is his name right here.
Oh, so he
There's
put
a
his
card.
logo over the regular tag.
Yeah, so he upcycled it. He just got like a bunch of shirts and he did like one-of-ones and
Got
so it's
it.
like a one-of-one piece.
So that's upcycling?
yeah.
I didn't even know that. Learn something new every day. But yeah, I thought this was dope. These right here are really, really dope. Kind of give me that like Greg Lauren vibe.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
are like military like flight pants.
Almost, I mean, these would be $1,000 from Greg Lauren. Maybe even more, but it has this like,
And the drawstrings and the
woo!
straps.
You guys always want to know where we get our inspiration from when it comes to the Richie Le clothing. It's stuff like this, basically.
Yeah, the
man.
old school stuff.
The old school stuff. So we might have to make these, put them into production or something. But yeah, these are fire.
That'd be so
I
sick,
appreciate
man.
you, Andrew.
Hey,
Thank
appreciate
you,
you,
brother.
man.
Thank you, man.
All the way from here?
Free stock. Shout out to Stance.
Brother! Brother.
I was gonna go get it, but he started running.
Oh! Much closer than Chance.
It had the aim, but not the trajectory.
All right, guys, we ended the video yesterday talking about trying to get a trade going for either the Yeezy sellers that we've had for a little while, size 13, or the brand new Off-White Chicagos. See if we can get like a multiple deal going. I'm willing to hook up them if they can hook up us. Let's try to get these off. What size is that? CPFM?
That's the wrist they take. What size are these?
13.
13, how much?
I'm trying to trade them.
Okay. What size are these?
9.5, brand new.
I need an 11. Are these OGL?
Nope.
Couldn't take them. I need all that. I have to at least put OGL, huh?
He asked me. That's when you know. What size are those? I'm like, oh, I thought I hooked the fish in. We'll find it.
Crispiest pair.
Super crispy.
Super crispy.
OGL, everything.
So he's basically trying to find his value, right?
His value on his stuff
Yeah.
versus. I feel like they're gonna price theirs kind of high, but I'm gonna work my magic. Counter back, counter jab, duck jab, counter, uppercut. You know, we're gonna work. You said you're at 11. Yeah. Is that like 9? Maybe I'll swing back around and see what the other guys offer, but appreciate you guys. How much is this Phantom?
I was at 560.
What size is it?
Size 13. It's really nice.
You firm?
My higher soft was 540.
Okay, that's better enough.
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys. Thank you. No, not gonna work. I don't really want the UNCs. That's the thing.
It was close.
Close.
Hey, it's working though, just holding the shoe.
Yeah. Off-White Chicago? Brand new. Brand new, 9.5. OGL.
What size are the Canaries?
8.5, brand new.
Oh!
Those are his magic words right there. Got it. I'm just kidding.
He's supposed to not.
Oh, he's actually a 10.
I'm a 10. I'm not squeezing 8.5.
He might
man.
try to squeeze.
My triple sock. If
Yeah.
You mind if I hold them?
Yeah, I'd be down to.
They're so rare that there's no looking for them. You know what I mean? It's like
If you come across, you're in luck.
find them like
Thank you, brother.
For sure.
Thank you.
Holy sh! What happened to the?
I don't know.
These are supposed to be clear.
foggy.
It was mummified. It looked like an 8.5.
I know, that's what I thought it was.
How much are you asking?
Oh, 4,000.
Today we've gone over MCA Air Force Ones,
The CPFM.
the CPFM Air Force Ones,
Yep.
Lemonades, these, the Canaries are my size,
And the olive
and
version
the
of these.
olive. That's a lot of expensive shoes for some heat.
Yeah.
What do you get?
What do you? Oh, and you were looking at these. I remember.
Ah,
Nah, it's
man.
over. Okay.
MCA, I feel like the most practical, best deal are the Lemonades.
Yeah.
I don't know.
These are special, bro. I don't know. Like,
How often do you
it's not
rock
an Air
yours?
Force One. I mean, I only rock them at conventions, but I think it's the best shoe to flex at a convention. Look at the lighting.
It's crazy.
Fans will make a dance.
Yeah.
Excuse me, bro. You're Richie Le, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no, that's crazy, bro.
What
I
up,
used to
bro?
watch you like in high school and
What up,
shit. Holy fuck.
Thank you,
So
brother.
now it's 3,000.
I'll cost $39.99.
$39.99.
Damn. Holy
Dang,
shit.
could be you, Rich.
He's flexing.
Are you size 9 too?
I'm an 8.5.
Do you want to try it on?
No, it's good.
So you are interested in
I like them too much. Not gonna lie. Don't try on, because then you want to buy.
What's going on?
He's thinking about these. We add cash to get a pair of these in the shop. Not a bad idea. He wants 2,500 plus these. I have this in the plus 2,500. Be at that price. He's willing to give us the credit that I want.
Yeah.
But only for higher up shoes. He said.
Why is that?
I don't know. He said he doesn't want to get rid of multiple. I wanted multiple Travis. He has tons down there. You see all of them? I want to add like 2,000 and I would do it.
Did you offer?
Not yet. I'm waiting for him to finish up. We couldn't work it out for the CPFM, so I'm trying to get multiple Travis or maybe Off-White 5s.
Oh, so he's open to it.
Now he's open to it. See what happens. We'll see what happens. Seems pretty chill. And he just made a $50,000 sale. I think that made his day a little bit easier. Would you move these at 7?
You got 11?
Yeah.
Let me check. I could do like 7:30.
725. Try those. All right, so far we've got 2 pairs. I got a Travis Scott Phantom size 11 and a MCA Air Force One size 12. Got about $500 left trade credit. Just scanning the table, trying to find that last pair. I'm really looking for pre-owned. Got a lot of good choices. It's just tough. It's tough to pick.
What was the value again?
I was at 2,500
Without the
trade.
box might be kind of tough.
Really?
Yeah.
Well.
Forgot to disclose that there's no
I
box.
thought I said that. I don't know.
So, can I ask who owns this pair?
Us, we do.
Like, so you own Tribute, or is it Richie?
Richie. Yeah.
Richie owns it.
Yeah.
I'll do 21, and then Richie, like, if he shouts out like our brand,
Gotta get 22, and I have to ask him first.
22 and a shout out, I'll do it. But like on his personal.
On his personal YouTube. This is all going to be on YouTube.
It's Instagram.
Oh, it's Instagram.
Like a
Like,
story
so we get a
shout.
tag. Story. If we get a
Okay, let me
tag.
talk to him. Let me ask him.
I don't know where he went.
He's right here. In order to get the trade credit I want, you have to shout him out on your Instagram.
All right, what's going on?
They
That's
didn't,
just-
they didn't realize
He
there's
didn't,
no
he
box.
didn't know there was no box. I could have swore I said that in the beginning.
Of the Yeezys?
Yes,
That's a pretty big deal, right?
it is.
Alright, is the deal happening?
Deal is happening. You know, it's been about an hour. It took some time. I'll show you guys what we got over at the booth just when we finish up here. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you. There's no size tags. You're sure there's a 13, right?
It's a 13, 100%.
Thank you.
Best collection at SneakerCon by far. If you guys don't remember, we offered, I think, 20 or 22K, something
like that, yeah.
for these 4, but he turned it down. But it wasn't the
Politely
best offer,
declined.
but it was an offer.
I watch all your videos, bro. All of them, bro. I watch
fire.
every Tuesday, Thursday. I'm always on your channel, bro.
Shout out to, and he knows the schedule, rough schedule. Sometimes you know we're a
try to
little bit
keep
off.
to it.
But
I know.
appreciate you, man. What are you looking for?
This shit. I can give you my prices too, but I just want to show you what I have
Yep,
for
yep.
you. Travis Sixes.
I'll try to bring them over
Brandon
here.
What are you looking on the ICAs?
14. Is that possible?
Let me grab Brandon real quick.
Okay, yeah.
You want to wait here real quick? I'll grab Brandon.
Work out a deal?
Worked out a deal. Got the Born and Raised SBs, $400. Born once, like pass as new. It's a good deal. Shout out to him. Good deal.
All right, guys, I was sitting here, I was debating it. You know, it's the end of the show. I just made the story on the cactus plant flea monkeys, flea market dunks, olive pear, sage. Think I'm gonna pass. It's just not the move, man. You know, we just built the pool. Maybe I gotta show you guys the pool that we're building in our backyard. That's pretty expensive.
The pool be shimmering just like those.
Gabe said the pool be shimmering just like these. That is very true. And it's tough, man. To find my size in these is ultra rare. I found like every grail at SneakerCon
That you'd want?
in my size that I wanted, but but not the price that I wanted. This is not the old Rich where I would have just copped. But yeah, man, just wanted to update you guys. Sorry for the bad news. Let me know if I made the right decision. 8,000 for the Sage CPFM dunks, or keep the 8,000 in my pocket. I think I made the right choice. Let me know. Let me know.
Oh, man, what's the big deal? What's the big deal?
You got the Red Octobers on the fresh sheets. They literally just clean.
We're leaving over here. We're leaving.
All right, SneakerCon stuff has arrived, safe and sound. That's always like the scariest part about doing this whole shipping back to us is how much money is in these boxes, but everything arrived safe. You got it?
2 boxes.
This is just 2. I think we had 5 total, but I remember we put some of the better stuff in the one that had the T mark on it. Let's see
See
here.
a Kobe box already.
We got Kobe's, we got KD, we got a bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, KD's. What do you call these?
Weatherman.
Weatherman.
I know if you guys were into sneakers 10, 12 years ago, this was like an all-time grail for people.
Remember the KD7s?
KD7 Weatherman. It's crazy that these are going for around retail. It used to go for like 1,000 plus. So got the KD Weathermans in the Hooper size 12.
Size 12.
Got a whole bunch of these. This was like kind of one of the missions I had. I kind of go with a plan every time I go to SneakerCon, whether it be getting reverse Grinches, whether it be getting lost and founds. This trip, I was going for Travis Scott Low Phantoms.
Got a slightly used
10.
pair, the mocha ones.
Can't go wrong
Travis
with the Travis
Scott.
Highs. What size is that?
11.5.
Good
That's
size.
your size.
I already got them. I do not need another one. Jordan 1. Ooh.
How much you pay for those?
Crispy. I think I got these for $250. Crispy pair of black toes, size 12. A lot of these are the bigger sizes, which is what we needed on the shelves. A lot of you guys have been asking for size 11 plus.
Everybody's favorite off-white.
If you guys watch the vlog, you'll see how we got these in a trade for the Yeezy Solars. Shout out to Asian Kicks for the trade. I'll tell you about the trade later, but yeah, we got the MCAs in a size 12.
This is the best one out of the pack.
By far the best one.
In my opinion.
And they have not restocked that one, so it's always the most limited one as well. Another Phantom. I think we got these for like $6. Gonna put most of the Phantoms up for about $8 to $8.50 on the website. Be sure to check that out.
$850. They go for like $1,200.
I know, and they just keep going up and up and up.
I know you want these.
I grabbed a bunch of Amas as well. Anywhere from like 3 to 5 pairs. How much we get these for?
Size 11.
Got these for $300. Size 11. Looks like they're worn about once. Probably gonna throw these up for like $400.
Deal,
Super
guys.
good deal. I think Ama 3s are very underrated right now in the market.
They go with everything.
This is the time to buy those. Look what we got. Another Travis Phantom. One more pair to end this box. What we got? Size 12.
Woo! Jarrito!
Now this is one of the shoes I bought at the end of the trip. Kind of had a little bit of personal value towards these. It is my size.
Hold on. Everything's size 12. Is there something going on?
You know, it's just when I'm shopping, I'm kind of keeping myself in mind too. But yeah, size 12 for retails. Let me know if I should maybe trade for these in the store, or should I just sell them to you guys? What's in the next one? What's in the next one?
Open it up real quick. I see some CPFM boxes, unions,
Those
SB4s.
were hard to find. I was trying to get a pair for Richie the whole trip, the pink ones.
I know. What size
People
these?
were taxing. This is a
Size
size 10.
I know they run a little big.
They're taxing them. Like people wanted 150 over StockX. Got the
white
white
one.
CPFM size 10.
Super clean too.
Worn maybe one time. Gonna throw these out for 250, 260. Really good deal on these.
The Union Forest right here. This is your favorite.
I hated those at first and they really grew on me.
Size 10. Wow.
Size 10. What else we got? SB4s. Looks like worn a couple times. Very, very clean. Size 10.
You guys don't see these too often. Off-white twos.
That was another one where I'm kind of on the fence of, do I trade for these?
What size are these again?
11 and a half.
Brandon's.
That's a tough one.
Brandon's size.
You don't see those. Like, I think we've only had one time in the shop we've had the off-white 2s.
Yeah.
Another pair of Ama 3s. I'm not even gonna open this one. You guys know what it is.
What's this?
We got,
Bam!
and this one is
Yeah.
actually used, even though it looks,
We got 4
Brand
of these
new.
brand new.
look how clean that pair is for a used pair.
Super clean.
More SB4s. This one's an 11 and a half. Boom, pre-owned. Might throw these out for a deal too. Maybe like 450, 450, 11 and a half. Next one up. A lot of people talking about this shoe as one of their favorite shoes of the year. I still don't know how I feel about
The
it.
Nina.
I do love the design and then Jordan Brand trying something different with the Nike Air on the back. Really dope details on these with the canvas upper. Got this in a size 11. Size 11 that's gonna be hitting the website.
Off-white 5s for y'all. What
size?
is this? 8.5.
Eight and a half. Looks like this is another Off-White 5. 12.5. Pretty rare size. Lightly used, lightly used. Very, very clean. What else we got?
SB4s.
More SB4s. You can kind of see I was keeping a theme with most of the stuff. I was buying shoes that are quick movers for us, stuff I don't really have to sit on very long. Got a used pair of the April SBs, size 9.5.
And last but not least, we got the pink Power Puff.
That was one of the better deals I got. Brand new, sold to me for $260. Most tables were asking $350, so shout out to him. I cannot remember who I got these from, but $260 for these. We might throw these up for a really good deal. Maybe $350 on the Blossom Power Puff size 10. But that's it for these 2 boxes. We still have a couple more boxes to go through. When I was shopping too, I was keeping in mind trying to find pre-owned sneakers that were worn maybe 1 to 2 times, knowing that here at Tribute, we deep clean them, making them look brand new for you guys. Plus, buying pre-owned saves you up to $100, $200, $300, depending on the sneaker. So definitely check out all the pre-owned sneakers we got. I think I only got a small handful of brand new, so keep that in mind when you're shopping. All of our pre-owned looks super, super clean. You can't go wrong with saving some money.